Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Pickaxe in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, there will be a quest that will give you the pickaxe, and I'm going to show you guys how we can complete the quest. First of all, you need to buy the advanced diving gear here, and then we can use this advanced diving gear to go to the crystal adapt location, which is the new location. You can use the diving gear and then you can go to the crystal depth. Okay, and when you have arrived here, you need to find the NPC that will give you a quest, and the NPC is right here. Okay, this NPC is called Hank. You can talk to this NPC and start the crystal gathering quest. And from this quest, you will get the pickaxe. And wait, let me show you the quest. The crystal gathering. Okay, this one. And you need to fish up Hang's diary and return the diary to Hang. And then the reward will be pickaxe. Okay, and I'm still trying to get the Hang's Diary, guys, because it's pretty hard. This is a mythic item, so if you want to catch it, you need to use at least Aries Rod or the Ghost Fin Rod. And you can catch this diary anywhere, any spot. I mean, not only on this crystal depth, but also on the Pirate Cove or the Lost Isle or anywhere. And yeah, you just need to complete this quest to get the pickaxe, and you can use the pickaxe to help you to get the crystallized mutation. Okay guys, and that's all about getting pickaxe in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.